This is exactly 2 months since I relocated. I want to tell you a shocking but exciting story about my relocation.
I just flew in from Miami, Peru, Peru,
In one of my videos, the very first video, the video that started this challenge, I told you guys that I'm going for NYSC. NYSC is a 1-year service to the nation that every graduate has to go through. As far as you are not above 30, I was going to be relocating to a particular place for my service, and none of us actually knew where exactly we were going. There are particular states where nobody wants to travel to. Like, nobody wants to go serve in those states. I was given a place where I had never given some states a thought, and this was actually one of those states. Never been there before. I locked myself up in the room and cried. I cried, but crying couldn't solve anything. I needed to go.
My dear.
We drove the whole day. Yeah, that's how far ADAMAWA is from Calabar. It got dark and we still kept moving. Well, we had faith we were going to reach that same day. They had faith, actually, because I lost that a long time ago. Unfortunately, we met with some robbers on the road. It was the most chaotic situation I have ever experienced. Burnt trailers, line up of cars, people waiting outside to run into bushes, calling their families because they were scared. You wouldn't even know if you were going to survive the night. But we fled. We fled to a safe place. And in that moment, I knew that we would definitely arrive at ADAMAWA the next morning if we could just live through the night.
Take the next right onto Yola Road.
I think for you will carry for. I carry now.
You guys should wait and watch.